Hi there, today we're gonna talk about artichokes. Artichokes are a wonderful and delicious vegetable that can be quite rewarding to grow. First off, artichokes require a lot of space and sunlight to grow properly. So make sure to plant them in a spot where they get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. They also prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter, so it's a good idea to amend the soil with compost or aged manure before planting. When it comes to watering, artichokes like to be kept constantly moist, but not overly wet. Make sure to water deeply and regularly, especially during hot and dry weather. It's also a good idea to mulch around the plants to help them retain moisture in the soil. As far as fertilizing goes, artichokes are heavy feeders and benefit from regular applications of a balanced fertilizer. You can also top dress with compost or aged manure throughout the growing season to provide additional nutrients. One important thing to keep in mind is that artichokes can be susceptible to pests like aphids and snakes. To prevent infestation, it's a good idea to keep the area around the plants clean and free of debris, and to monitor them regularly for signs of them. Harvesting artichoke can be a bit tricky, as you want to make sure to pick them at the right time. Ideally, you want to harvest the artichokes when the buds are still tight and compact, but have started to loosen up a bit. If you wait too long, the buds will start to open up, and the artichoke will become tough and inedible. Overall, with a little bit of care and attention, you can grow delicious, healthy artichokes right in your own background. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.